In today's tutorial, we'll go over how to make AI animations from scratch. Let's dive in. The first step is creating the actual AI model, your digital actor, so to speak. For this, we're going to use Sora. But here's the trick. The quality of your output depends entirely on your prompt. This is where I like to bring in ChatGPT. I'll ask it to generate a character prompt that covers important details: gender, skin tone, hairstyle, outfit style, body type, overall vibe. This ensures that the model isn't just a random face. It's a consistent character you can actually reuse across multiple videos. If you have no idea what to prompt for in ChatGPT, look for an image online of a marketing campaign you'd love to enumerate. I'll search for an image I like on Pinterest. Download a couple of them to my desktop. Here are the images I decided to use. Head back to ChatGPT and upload the image. Ask it to give you a JSON prompt of the image description. We'll paste the description on a Google document. Edit parts of the prompt to match what you had in mind. Once you have your edited prompt, we'll copy it and paste it straight into Sora. Generate the model, and once you're happy with how it looks, download the image. That's going to be our base character. You can also achieve similar results using DeepSeek or MidJourney. If you don't like what you get, edit and tweak your prompt until you achieve your desired results. This was the initial image. I wanted the style and theme of the image, but a unique model. After editing the prompt, this is the output, and I love it. I'll do this for all the different model images I have. Next, we're going to get a product photo of whatever product we want to market. We'll start with jewelry. I'll head over to Amazon and download a couple of necklaces and earrings. We'll head back to Sora and upload both our model and the piece of jewelry. Prompt Sora to put her in the new jewelry. We can do the same with clothing and give our model some variety. Instead of being stuck with one outfit forever, we can actually swap clothes onto them using Fashion AI. It's also doable in Sora, but we'll use Fashion AI with the clothes as it's way faster and free to get started with. All you need is a picture of the clothing you want. This could be anything: a business suit, casual wear, even cosplay if you're going for something fun. Upload both images, the base model and the clothing. I will blend them together and create a new version of your character wearing the outfit. I have a couple of dresses I downloaded from Pinterest. Now don't skip this next step. After the swap, take that output and upscale it. Upscaling makes your image look sharper, more detailed, and way more professional. Tools like Topaz or built-in upscalers on AI platforms will handle this for you. This is the end result after upscaling. We'll use both Veo3 and Kling to animate our images. Let's head over to Veo3. I'll access it via Flow. I'll opt for frames to video, which allows us to add our image. We'll upload the upscaled image of our model and paste our prompt. I use the multiple shots prompt. This allows me to have different camera angles of the same model in one video. Different people prompt differently. Again, if you do not know how you want to animate your image, simply upload it to ChatGPT and ask it for guidance on how to go about it. I'll add a simple prompt to guide my image and then generate. Here is the finished video. I absolutely loved the results. We can achieve similar results in Kling. Head over to Kling AI. Click on the video option, upload your model image, and paste the animation prompt. Upload your image and paste your prompt here. If you don't know what to prompt, you can use DeepSeek. Simply click on DeepSeek. This pop-up will open. Upload your image and type some words to help guide the AI. I typed model. It will generate a prompt that you can use. Play with the settings. Hit generate and wait for your video. Once it's done, download it. That's your animated character, ready to use. Of course, a video without sound feels incomplete. So let's add some background music. For voice, you can either type a script directly into Veo or Kling, and you can also use a tool like ElevenLabs. Personally, I like ElevenLabs because you can clone your own voice or pick from their voice library. This gives your character a unique personality. For music, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a descriptive prompt for background sound. Then paste that into ElevenLabs' sound effects section. You'll get multiple audio tracks. Pick the one that fits the mood of your video. And boom, you have a fully generated AI video with a custom character, outfit, animation, and sound design. Share your videos online. I've been using these videos to promote Amazon affiliate products. They don't take long to make, and that's it. We just went from a blank prompt to a fully animated AI character video. This workflow is perfect for content creators, brands, or even just experimenting with storytelling. The more you practice refining prompts, the more realistic your videos will look. And if you want more deep dive guides into AI animation, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. Please share your thoughts in the comments. Links to all the websites will be in the description.